So it's early in the morning. We haven't been up this early in like a month or something. And where are we heading, Linn?
To the top of the volcano here. And we're going to meet up with a really nice guy who's giving us a ride.
Nice.
Okay, so we started to walk towards the bus station now, since the car I was waiting, since the car we were waiting by was not his. And we probably missed him. I don't know, he was there like 3 minutes before us, and we were there at 7 o'clock, so he must have been in a hurry.
Yeah, the most person in a hurry in the whole world probably.
Yeah, and I feel really stupid because I thought it was really nice of him that he wanted to drive us, and then we didn't show up.
We finally made it to the beginning of the trail.
Yeah, by hitchhiking once again.
Yeah, because today it's the day after the big carnival, so there's no buses running, no taxis, almost no people picking up hitchhikers. But in the end we managed to find two nice guys who brought us here.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's just reload some energy and then let's go up on the Volcano.
Ready to stop?
Yeah, so we're in this bunker right here. It's like 50 meters from the top on Les Soufrières, and it's really windy outside. I don't know, but in the gusts it's probably up to 50 knots or something like that. So you can barely stand out there. You have to almost crawl forward, and it's like there's water just flowing around everywhere. And you get soaking wet immediately.
Yeah, so that's why everybody's seeking shelter in here.
Yeah, yeah. But it's great though. It's like a really interesting adventure, like coming from the ocean where it's like 30 degrees and getting up here where it's windy, it's so windy and not warm at all. So,
yeah. So if you're gonna go to Les Soufrières and you don't want to get soaked, pick a day when it's not cloudy.
yeah, definitely.
What is supposed to happen now, Gustav?
Yeah, today it's lazy day, so which means we're recovering from our hike to Les Soufrières, which was pretty cold and pretty craving, yeah. So we're eating peanuts and playing games. So now we're playing Jatsi and yeah, just taking it easy and just waiting for the wind to calm down so we can sail south again. Was that the best piece of melon you ever eaten?
Mm-hmm.
So how good was it from a scale 1 to 165?
Unmeasurable.
Sweet. I think I'm gonna have a piece as well.
Mm-hmm. It's hair cutting time.
Oh yes.
I hope you do a good job. Otherwise I'll never forgive you.
Well, I mean, you can't afford a real hairdresser, so yeah, it's gotta be me.
Time for Gustav to do his washing. Don't tell him, but it's a week later than I did it. You ready for this?
No.
So you take like really hot water. Ta det varmaste liksom.
Ja, det är varmt.
Doing great.
Natural wash machine.
See that? What's for lunch?
So it's the best beer in the Caribbean probably, or at least one of them, and it's the Guada beer from Guadeloupe. It's so good, and together with that we have some tortilla chips and Linn's homemade guacamole. So yeah, I was pretty happy when I came back to the boat and found this, because I haven't had this beer now in a while.
You're welcome. Okay, Captain got something he wants to tell us.
Yeah, so we're leaving Guadeloupe again and bust here in this cozy little marina, and now we're heading south towards Dominica again and the capital Roseau. And it's been really rough weather for some days now, so this is actually the first day which is good to sail on. So it's still gonna be quite a lot of wind, but yeah, not even close to what it was yesterday and the day before yesterday. So yeah, we prepared a sail for, we already took 2 reefs in the main and hoist it now before we come to the strong winds. As soon as we come clear from Guadeloupe, the winds are going to pick up really much, and therefore we already took 2 reefs and already hoisted the sail to be prepared when the wind comes. So yeah, right now we got only a little bit of wind, but soon we will shut off the engine and start sailing. Probably there's going to be a little bit of acceleration winds when we come to the tip of Guadeloupe, so we're trying to not take out as much sail as possible to begin with. We are a little bit restrictive to begin with, so the acceleration wind doesn't hit us with full power and we get full sails out. So just roll out a little bit on the Genoa to be careful, and then after a while you can be more confident and roll out probably the full Genoa when we are clear from the island. Out sailing now for about 8 hours or something like that, and in the beginning the wind was good. It was yeah, we were doing like 5.5–6 knots with 2 reefs on the main and full small Genoa, but after a while the wind just started to turn and it started to slack, and in the end there was no wind at all, so we had to start the engine for a while and motor. And now when we're getting closer to Dominica, there is a little bit more wind coming again, so now we managed to hoist our big Genoa and shut the engine off. So yeah, just cruising along here pretty slowly towards Roseau, and yeah, probably we'll be there at around 7:30–8 in the evening or something like that. So yeah, looking forward to this nice sunset.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to drill a hole in the coconut.
Is that why you're so red in the face?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
I think not.
Jag kan inte få upp en kokosnöt. Det är riktigt. Alla sätter prövan av att be.
Mum, mum, mum.
Med en yxa. Hägget ska bli sten.
Det här skulle jag aldrig få sjunga för hem och passa.
So we just came to Roseau and grabbed a mooring ball. The clock is about 8:30 in the evening, I think.
Yeah.
And what did you think about the sailing?
It was really nice. Although I burned my face. You didn't tell me to. And but in the end it was cold.
Yeah.
Like rainy and windy and so on. So now we're making hot chocolate.
Nice. And then we're watching a movie, right?
Mm-hmm. Heads up guys, don't forget to give us a like.
And subscribe down below.
Thanks for watching.